Hello. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create a WhatsApp template and run a bulk messaging campaign, allowing you to reach millions of customers with just a single click. Step 1. Creating the template first. Navigate to the template section and click on Create Meta Template. The layout menu on the right will allow you to preview exactly how your message will look. Start by naming your template. Note that the name must be in lowercase letters only. For this example, we'll name it special_offer. Next, choose your category, such as marketing or utility, and select your desired language. We'll stick with the default English. In the body text, you can personalize the message. For instance, type "Hi," followed by a variable to dynamically insert the client's name, then add your message content, like free shipping coupon code. To ensure the variable works correctly, add a sample name in the example field. You'll see it appear instantly in the preview. You can also enhance your message by adding a header, such as, "This is a special offer for you," and a footer if needed. Finally, let's add some interaction buttons. Select Visit Website and enter your button text. View your order, along with your website URL. You can also add a call button by entering your full phone number. Once you are satisfied, simply click Submit to Meta. To verify, refresh your templates list and you will see your new template is now active. Step 2. Running the campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab to start a new campaign. Give your campaign a name. Select the sending device and choose the contact group you wish to target. While you can send plain text messages using the text option, for this demo, we will select template and choose the special offer template we just created. The preview will show your message along with the buttons. For now, we will send it immediately. As you can see, the messages are delivered instantly to the user's phone. By checking the logs, we can confirm the status. The campaign was successfully sent and delivered.